Okay, welcome to the first action figure review. Today we have a Azreal Suit of Sorrows, McFarlane Gold Label Collection. Also, if you have to, on the video, you can pause it if you want to read this. And, I guess I can't get on video. So, he basically had, so basically, this is on the left in real life, but it just seems different, like, in the video. But, yeah, we have right here, it says McFarlane Gold Label Collection, and, yeah, let's, unbox them. So this is what it looks like out of a box. Pretty cool, actually. Now I need to get these off. Okay, so also, if you hear anything, if you can't see anything. So if you hear anything in the background, that's just my dad, and if you hear like anything over there, that's just my cat being a retard. Let's see. Okay. Okay, sorry if that took too long. Oh, I got parts. So, let's get a sword out. This is so much harder with the fire on there. Oh no, let me do something.
They can't see you.
I'm just trying to put this back on.
Do it in front of the camera.
Okay, so accidentally I took the fire off already. Also, if you're wondering, yes, you can take the fire off. It looks like this without it. Okay, so let's get to the action figure. He's actually got really good articulation. So I'll show you a different character, kind of like him in a minute. And, so, this is going to show you a close-up of him. Also, if you're wondering, he has articulation. Yes, he does. And, yeah. This is his arm. Probably, okay, so you already know that, yeah, I know. Okay, so this is, what it looks like in one of the poses. Let me just pose him real quick off video. Just get his hand. That's some of the pose of him. Okay, so let me see something quick. Almost forgot that for some things. Let's I'll get to that in a minute, but let's get to his accessories. Okay, so this is his flaming sword. Also, it doesn't have much detail, really. He does have a little gold thing right there. And this is a fiery sword. And this looks like without the fire, and this is what the fire looks like without the sword. That's pretty much most of his accessories. Now let's get to this other guy, actually. It's pretty much like him, except it's probably, let me check something. Let me see. This is what date this was made in. This is made at the same time what I'm about to show you. Okay, so this is a different guy. Might not be the same size. Comes with a sword. If you're wondering, no, he does not come with flames. I actually got him from a faraway place. This guy right here, we got him just today in the place we live at. This, I know. And basically, this guy, we got him far away. And, basically, they're made in the same year, 2020. And, he comes with a sword. So, yes, there is tape on there. And if you're wondering where these things are on him, I took them off because, well, it just seemed, well, a little too big on him. Stuff. I'll do it with this guy pretty soon. And, let's, it gets to this. Let me just, get let's, get to his articulation. Okay, so this can go, okay, stop. That's supposed to go right there. And, this is an articulation. It does swivel, but not very easily. And same thing with this one, except it can go up a little higher. And like, this is how high his leg can go. It doesn't really swivel. And like, same thing with the other leg. And, yeah. And this is his stomach. It does swivels. And the back of him, this is the back of the character. Nope. No. And, make sure if you're able to do comments. And, he's got, like, tiny little details. And, I didn't really, carve this part too well. They did do a little, better, like, they did sort of, like, carve this guy a little better. And stuff. And basically, now I'm gonna get to the other action figure. Just make this video a little longer if you like this video. Okay, so let's get to the articulation of this guy. Okay. And I almost forgot to give him a pose I would sometimes do with him. Just gonna pose him off camera. And you should just see. Okay. But like I sort of like gonna pose him like this, like holding it like this or something. And yeah, it's not really easy, but like you get it. So his articulation. Basically, like that. Basically, both his arms have the same articulation. So does his legs. Both have the same articulation. And yeah, that's it for the video. Make sure to. Oh, also, if you want a close up of the area, I can if you want. Okay. No, like a vegetable. And alright, so that's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video.